In this video, we'll explain how to fix ECU network connection problems. Firstly, check the ECU indicator lights. If the power light is off, ensure that the ECU is receiving power. Then, turn it off and on again. If the power light remains off, the adapter or the ECU might be faulty. If the power light is on but the network light is off, it indicates that there is no internet connection. You should check your Wi-Fi or wired connection. For Wi-Fi connections, log into the EMA Manager app locally. Click on Workspace, and then ECU Network Settings to see if Wi-Fi is connected. Make sure your router is working properly. Then try reconnecting. If the ECU is too far from the router or walls are blocking the signal, you may need to move the ECU closer or change the way it connects to the network. For wired connections, after confirming that the router is working properly, then check if the network cable is properly connected to both the ECU and the router. If there is a firewall restricting the network, it is recommended to try to cancel the restriction or contact APsystems support to ask for the corresponding domain name. If you have any questions about ECU NOC communication, please contact tech support of APsystems.